Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. If you're looking to cancel your Apple Music subscription, you can do it directly from your iPad in just a few steps. Since Apple Music is linked to your Apple ID, you can manage or cancel it from any Apple device, including an iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac. But in this video, we'll focus on how to do it on an iPad. To start, open the Settings app on your iPad. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID, tap on it, then select Subscriptions from the menu. This is where you'll find all the services you're currently subscribed to, including Apple Music. Scroll through the list and tap on Apple Music to access the subscription details. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to cancel subscription. Tap it, and Apple will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Once you confirm, your Apple Music subscription will be canceled, but you'll still have access to your music until the end of the billing period. That means if you cancel in the middle of a month, you can still use Apple Music until your next renewal date. After that, your access will be removed and your saved music will no longer be available. That's all there is to it. Whether you're switching to a different music service or just don't use Apple Music enough to keep paying for it, canceling is simple and only takes a few seconds. Hopefully this video helped. If you found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Apple tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you later.